For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. It's a Nedbank Cup weekend final opportunity to win a trophy for big teams. Big teams, of course, remaining are Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. And it's also an opportunity to do miracles for smaller teams. About JEXA, I don't even know what this is. JEXA, Spear, one of the teams that are remaining in the competition. Of course, Kazakh Stars as well. There's teams like Amazulu and Richards Bay and think what they're playing tonight as well. So maybe, because once every 7 years, this tournament gives us a different winner. Last time we got a different winner who was not a big team. It was 2019 when TS Galaxy beat Chiefs, coached by Utentens Malisela. They were still in the National First Division. So we are waiting for a team from a lower league to win, or it will be, of course, Orlando Pirates being the Cup Kings or Sundowns being the big team winning as well. We shall see. This weekend, we will be covering Mamelodi Sundowns against TS Galaxy, 3 p.m. tomorrow. 6 p.m. tomorrow, it will be Kazakh Stars traveling to the Orlando Stadium to play Orlando Pirates. Junior Kanye, my analyst. Let's talk about the Nedbank Cup, but before we get there, I want to ask you about Coach Miguel Cardoso. Been a lot of criticism, myself, yourself, all of us, based on the results and based on the style of play. And then he came up with Coach Rulani MC Alger. He came up against Coach Abdeslam Wadu as well with Orlando Pirates. He beats both of them. Is he now no longer under pressure?
Kulama brother kunjani?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ngilisi justice.
Just.
Ayisanutho ngimbonile aphuma nenco sakhe. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, he's still under pressure.
Still under pressure.
He need to win the Champions League. He has to. He brought Bonino, Resinho, Leon now. They brought him those players, and then obvious if we are phone, we don't know. But so too, because he's the head coach. Yeah, he's the one who starting 11, makes subs. So he's still under pressure. He need to win Champions League. I mean, there was a situation where Rulani won the league. He never won the Champions League. He won even Super League. And then he never won the Champions League because of that. I think that was a reason.
Sure.
With Badganebam release. Kuna my expectation with Sundowns and Fate. Yes, the coach is still under pressure. Obvious now, for now, if you win 2 games, especially vital games, beating Rulani, Pele Kumbule, Ogudla Rulani, we talk about the former coach here club. Top class coach, not just a coach, just a coach. Utemagamudla Urulani. Upegi position as Sundowns big up.
Yeah, they saved themselves in the Champions League.
When that Leon Tole when I mean after a while the Sundowns in this young with this calculators going to pay to a premiership as well. Not clear during this time with Sundowns they're going to win or not. You understand? Yes, it's obvious. It's a game of opinion. It's not opinion, not different. But Senkulmelu would be clear with points.
Yeah, they're not obvious.
This year.
Yeah.
We understand. Very, very difficult. He lost MTN8. He lost Culling. Now selling a Nedbank. He's still under pressure. I can't say very under pressure, but he's still under pressure. So, the coach is still under pressure.
Well, he's given himself some breathing space, at least in Jongo Bashai Wadu. But I agree with you, 100%, Uguti. He still needs to win the Champions League.
Yeah, Upituadu. I mean, he beat one of the best team, not biggest, one of the best team currently, playing beautiful football. But truly speaking, he beat Uadu, convincing, and there was, Angel City was lucky, whatever. Team tactically, that's why I need to get consistent, man. Good gaming money, Sundowns, circulating the ball, and playing very effective football. Not playing in front of Orlando Pirates. And it's what I love. I'm going to emphasize by playing with JD Adams there. And with Tolulino, Oleon. They're playing these forward passes, and which is well done to the coach. Would emphasize that thing because as much as we can say we want beautiful football, maybe be ending results.
For sure.
So Simshali Zantanga riding. Ngoba beat Orlando Pirates, I think uqinisile ngeka we wakhokhomoya beat, but he knows he need to win this league. Akakayiwini. Phela une game in hand, which is imela win.
Yeah, if he wins it on Tuesday, then they're equal. Goal difference.
Yes, goal different. And nenye into compliment for him beating Rulani. Being a is their game. MCLC we can say they are not good side, whatever. But the truth is, Maguya game MCLC they were number 2.
Yeah, they only needed a draw.
You understand Sundowns be under pressure to win that game. Bengafuneki any draw. So well done to the coach for that. Simshayile izandla ngalokho, but he's still under pressure to answer.
All right, we go then to the Nedbank Cup. Keswick Stars at 6 p.m. will be visiting the Amstel Arena, Orlando Stadium. In fact, one of the things that people were saying this past Wednesday was that the fact that the game was not at Orlando, instead at FNB, that reduces something from Orlando Pirates because, of course, the Amstel Arena is demonic. It's a very difficult place for teams to go and visit. Of course, Sundowns and Pirates are in Category A fixture, so you have to give it a bigger stadium. 30,000 to 60,000, it's a huge stadium. 90,000, it's a huge stadium, so you understand that. But Keswick Stars, unfortunately for them, they have to go to the Amstel Arena. You are familiar with Upax, umqeqeshi uMthombeni. Sometimes unokuqasha abaqeqeshi bamenzela isibani, and then sometimes unokuzenzela ngokwakhe. I think this season uyazenzela. And what I've noticed about him, and it's not only him phela kuna-NFD, khona iGrootman abathi uXhanti Phuphuma, uRane Milford. Dr. Xhanti Phuphuma is a gynecologist.
I know.
We-Milford. Naye uBucks Mthombeni we-Keswick. Before that, bekune out advocate Undicheni nemasisi we-JDR. There's a trend ku-NFD ukuthi amajita as bhayela ama-club and ayazi coachela futhi. And njengoba azi-coachela, they are always in the top 4, top 5. They are, I don't know how, but naye uBucks Mthombeni is number 4. uBucks Mthombeni with Stars. Let's talk about them a little bit.
Kulega no Bucks from ngintwana man kakhulu ngakadlala nebhedu yepremiership eliyathuthila ithanda ibhola yabona enye into ngoBhakania. I'm not surprised with the coach. I remember lengwenya lesifakela team emabuya eDaveyton affiliate for Mahlubi because he used to love being frustrated kakhulu
Sure.
guy and ngamithisa uMahlubi and then he loves Daveyton players. The guy uhlale eBhokonotu, which is Bhokonotu is next to I think Bomatwe Fontaine. So kwamhlanga le yangwenya leya i-team the angikho surprise ukuthi asicoachele kube kuyanganga usadlala Bucks. To tell you no
Sure.
I know sometimes bangakutshela nalahlala
So
khona.
sometimes he does play.
Dawuthile njengoba ngitshela ngikena ingaka uNkulunkulu angayibusisi njengoba ibusisile ngikena ima-ole lakhe mina
Sure.
ngikena iGrootman yakhe uGamele esebenza kuKwez FM. I know the family yabo. So uBhakania umuntu othi noma ngabe bekuyi-director ngikhuluma ibhucwini afuna ukudlala sometimes yabo. Second half he come and play. So going to
So you're not surprised ukuthi ku-NFD he's coaching and he's number 4.
And it's his team.
Even last
It's club, yeah.
yes, it's his club. And also
Yeah.
last season, Bashai playoff. It was him and Obid in the Cape Town City.
Yeah.
And he almost made it.
ibhola yalazi support Kaizer Chiefs layout. I will be honest ngikhipha isiphiri sayo mara ngicole layout support Kaizer Chiefs ibhola yalazi and darling ingitshela mina from i-South Drive even double cap isesene veni kuphela if not mistaken because 2001 2002 ithi mina ngifuna ukuba ne-team eBhokonotu and uNkulunkulu wayehawukela yaba ne-team that guy ibhola unayo idea football uyalazi
Sure.
sengisho nokudlala uyalazi and also mangikhuluma ngokuthi ukulikhuluma watching and he knows players individual
Sure.
uBucks angikho surprised ukuthi afike la khona coacher though into engiyazi ngayo uBucks if into uthi yena mele beso mele benjalo and which is yenza difficult for coaches
Yeah.
because I know RDP was there as well and he left if not July Mahlang was there.
I want to say former captain of Sundowns as well. I forgot now. I can see him, but Celtic as well.
Yeah.
Thabo Ntete. I want
Thabo
to say, if I'm not mistaken, was
Yeah.
there as well.
And ngikhumbula kusese Palmeiras this team before Ian Palmer when he was there he was a director also coaching. You understand coming to kusho ukuthi uBucks in fact when the team train uMelainin so very difficult guy.
The one thing that I want to say, maybe this is a topic for another day, but I'm bringing it up deliberately because most people don't notice this about the NFD because in NFD maybe they don't pay attention to it. It's kuna trend yokuthi lamajita azrana lama club wabo. Although we want them to do ama coaching badges, bahloniphe sponsor coaching. Makuqhuba bona, it seems like even now currently number 1 Milford. And the Milford, even last season, maybe they were top 5. No Bucks, they go play off. When they are driving their own cars, it seems like they are able to push a club to play off position.
Yeah.
It doesn't work all the time, obviously. But it seems like when it's them, and as no mama player, they listen more, or maybe they're thinking, it's Pansami, because Lomjita club, yeah,
I think one the director can't bring his own players whether he's a good player or not good player. So the director will want the best for himself
Sure.
and for the team.
It's his money, yeah.
It's his money. Amanyama coaches, some we like it or not. As much as we respect coaches, but true, which their coaches are sacrificing. Which will with player, players they let go when the coach has arrived. Coach love that boy. Omunya benefit from those players.
Sure.
And then he will bring those players. So, ukuphendula, I think ilento le ukuthi there is no director who want to see himself going to the hole. Or he will try by all means to listen to the right people, whether on the team or outside the team, and bring obvious technical team abantu abazibhola abahlakaniphile. And most of them lama director amadoda azibhola. Yabo amadoda thola ukuthi mangithi azibhola omunye bekuyifan ugcine thola ukuthi understanding the more phela become a fan omunye udlalile noma zange adlale to the high top flight but understanding unayo. So ama coaches they sacrifice ngulo. Sometimes coach alazi ibhola uya sacrifice phela ukumula background yethu abudaki. I'm talking most of the South African coaches, we can be honest. If we football, it's about the life yako, ushintsha impilo yakho ngayo. So if somebody who's at 900,000 sign somebody, I'm not saying
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
We understand.
Yeah.
And then you sacrifice and say let the boy.
You're not getting quality players.
You understand. So I don't think there is a director saying sign alumfana, I want something from him. Angish kuta ma coach there are coaches who knows football. I told it with me now. Hi, ngono coach if team. Abenze ngale ndlela engifuna ngayo ukuthi bangisupport. So ama directors ukuphendula I think I different leyo mfethu and right nale JTRL aziphola ngeke ngayibona.
Yeah, I think he sold the status now.
Yeah, but
he kept that club was always in the top 8 most of the time.
Yalazi ibhola that guy ngisayibukele kaningi ibhola yalkena mfethu that guy and bekazicoachela right.
Yeah, it's a difficult one for Ikazrik Sasa.
Yeah.
Because the assumption is that Pirates should win that game.
Yeah.
It's an NFD team, number 4 against the number 1 in South Africa at the moment. Yeah. What kind of game do you think we'll see there?
I mean, this team going there. But this thing, players, starting players like Castric, they will want to sell themselves. They know that they can't beat Holland Pirates. It's a mountain to climb, especially arena. You understand? Though in the stadium, I don't have a problem with the Pirates. When we talk about Pirates and Chiefs, because of the crowd, everywhere they play, it's a home ground for them. If you say Pirates play in Durban, Mapita, now it's much. You understand? Because of the brand of football they are playing. So, wonke excited South Africa. Whether we support the Pirates or we support the Sundowns, or when Pirates play, in fact, everybody funa ukuyibukela. Because of the baphethe lento balethenye into manje besingasayibona isikhathi.
Excitement.
Yes. So going the Catholic players, they will want to sell themselves. The coach and engqondweni yakhe which is uBucks the technical team yakhe bazoba ne plan. We're going to stop Orlando Pirates to rather go to penalties. Must correlate it's upon us. But if we can stop Mfokeng, if we can stop Mhlambe police, and then Pirates they're not gonna play. You understand? Kuzoba playing like Bucks.
Yeah. Do you see the shuffling of players go Pirates? It's a week before a derby. Normally they like doing that 1 week before a derby to shuffle some of the players. I know Abamakhopa, they are injured. Mbata, they said they were injured as well. But you see 3 or 4 changes go Pirates because they think we are stronger than Kazrik. We might as well make a few changes.
Into bengisayikhuluma last ngikhuluma noMichael ngeke ngayixoxana nawe sixoxana uShane last time. Coach beka experimenta too much. This thing of rotation izokushaya. Bazokushaya one and then we'll have a problem. I don't think after losing from Orlando Pirates, coach uzoyenza lento yakhe to rotate players. You might see aqala starting 11 is strong.
Yeah, because last time we saw Buthelezi in goals, if you remember.
I remember.
Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
So you might start with the strongest team now.
And then the second half finds Amasa because now he just lost and coach will lose again. Pirates supporters they don't think good gune game may lose as we speak.
Yeah.
Now, or draw. Which is true, they've got players. I mean, pound maskhuluma nje ivara nguleko mfethu. Uphethele squad se Pirates ubani ongakudla masiba nevara. Once you do the right thing, which is mina big effect amakuqala isizini ukuthi coach wadu somehow ngiyamdoubt I mean. The coach mangithi ngiyamdoubt ngibonile uphethe potential. Make no mistake they are gaming ngibonile ukuthi wawinile. But the experience.
Yeah.
The experience.
Yeah, indlela angazange ayihambe. It's the first time
you understand it. You can't talk about crossing the bridge cross the bridge.
Yeah.
It's like assuming akusukuthi into yabo. So why do take nothing away from him? He's talented. But the thing is ukuthi atholakale kuleya ndawo leyana and won things before. He never been there. And now to quote that team being consistent, phela uyazikhohlwa sometimes. Njenga kwamama game ngiyambona wenza ama rotation thola ukuthi yasebenza. Manje he lost against Orlando Pirates. Pirates sometimes if they won their game lay in hand, it's a draw.
They are equal, yeah.
Equal now. Sometimes with a goal different.
Yeah.
But bahleli phezulu. Coach now angiboni ukuthi usazofuna uku-experiment.
Yeah, from now on, yeah.
I don't think
because
so.
of what it means.
I
don't know if they could sacrifice in Nedbank. Although like, you make a good point that Pirates fans want to win every game they are playing. I don't know if it would be a good calculation, Leo Uti. If we want to rest and make any experiments, singayenza la kwi-Nedbank Cup.
Yeah, I don't think coach uzoyenza man.
If imehlo like league,
Yeah.
because that's the most important cup because they've not won it in 14 years.
Yeah.
And Sisonde, Lisandra said, one hand is in the league.
Yeah.
Now we are losing that grip in the league.
Yeah.
Can you not make a sacrifice in the cup?
Into engiyibona nge-Pirates when they go to the field, angithi sikhuluma ngokuthi talent only will never win the games for you. Pirates is the whole team set up. Ngikhuluma technical team, how they do things. Ngikhuluma ngama-signing wabo technical team, the background. Everybody is serious this season. We need to be keep.
Yeah, they wanted to win.
Asibanikeni compliment where
And
give
almost
credit where it's
they're
due.
close to a treble.
That's why ngithi they
if
want
they
to win.
win the
They
Nedbank
want to win the Nedbank. Yonke trophy khona iPirates angiboni ukuthi idlala nje to come to the second, to be second best. I don't
Sure.
think so. But because bani quality. If we can be honest, that's why they dominated Bafana. Mele sibe realistic. We coach now, coaching national team. Angeke ulekelela talent. Yabo do ngeke bathathe bonke. You need to mix with these high profile Sundowns players with the experience. Yabo sikhuluma ngama-seasoned players. So each and every game Pirates they win, they play. As I mean to say trophy. Bafuna ukuwina. Nale Nedbank uzobona kusasa. After losing now, I don't think Guwadi will
Yeah, it's going to be tough to lose two matches in a row.
You can't.
Yeah.
The-
And they're going to derby next week, which is very tricky.
You
So
can't.
you could be in a position where you could lose 3.
Some you can see one player eliminator, 1 or 2, but not the whole. Yabo, the Pirates bono we won 6 players they're starting.
Sure.
Zobona bo Denzel baqala, so from nowhere. You understand, but now I don't think he will do that. So uzoqala nge-starting 11 sakhe la segcwele ukudlala ngaso. Yabo, and then you come second half you can make a game.
Finals competition, Paris Kazakh Stars.
Yeah, I see score 2-0. Honestly, Pirates they're going to win. 2-0, yes, true. Mutuma, I don't think he's going to score. I'll be honest with you. I'm not convinced with Mutuma.
Angavela kore.
Angeka
Angavela
No,
kore
tomorrow,
in a lower league.
Pirates is a mistake by releasing Mabasa, man. They're supposed to keep that guy there.
Yeah.
So I see my midfielders are tomorrow. Yeah, midfielders ngibona urile will come and say angidlalanga over during the week. I try my best in being Makani the best right back in the country. Not ukuthi umfana beyangafuni kwenza maka badibane nembila sithutha.
Sure.
So I see this guy scoring also if akusi long range kaMbule ngoba sasa ngibelieve ukuthi uzoyiqala igame. Ngibona uTito Masanga yakho.
All right, nice one. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing against TS Galaxy tomorrow. We'll start with that game at 3 p.m. as it is TV. TS Galaxy loves Mamelodi Sundowns. This is one of their favorite fixtures. It's a grudge match for them for whatever reason, maybe for historical reasons. I don't know. Maybe you can track it back to Zungu's foul on Bernard Parker. He breaks his leg. Or maybe you can track it between the beef, coach Mbanu Seyad Ramovic against coach Rolani Mukwena. Maybe that's where it comes from. But what we know for sure is that Kulumani Ndamane, that's money. Batusi Opas, that's money. So Mamelodi Sundowns has been buying some players with TS Galaxy. Ukuze uphefumule, you need to sell players. So Sundowns does business with the TS Galaxy, but there is bad blood between those teams. Junior, let's take it away, sir. TS Galaxy, Mamelodi Sundowns. I asked so the same question. I think Sundowns, bambiza limiting, this is my theory. Bambiza limiting coach Kadoso, but win the Champions League and the league, no matter what happens. In the past couple of weeks before Atlanga no Rolani, they told him. That's why maybe you kind of see Abo Surprise Moriri wearing blazers next to Utlopi. They're giving him a bigger role.
Yes.
Something is happening there. I'm suspecting Uguti, the Nedbank Cup, they want to win it. Utso said something, Uguti, they haven't won a cup in a long time other than a league. It's
In
Sundowns.
2023.
In 2 years, something like that, right? So they might want the Nedbank Cup, but this is the one that they can experiment on ngokwenza ama changes ngoba kwi league they told Kadoso to win it in the Champions League.
Yeah, it's in compliment to Petrus Motsepe by bringing a surprise there. We talk about the best player ngihlale ngisho mina yabona once Maune team, if the player spend about close to 8-9 years in your team,
Yeah.
even more than 7 years, and
Yeah.
does well, kuba yi-face ye-team. Lo muntu understand the culture, the identity of the team.
100%.
So every time, whether you can bring the coaches come and go, when you bring a technical director, whoever, you need the young surprise changing when they make a decision. So surprise in on the obvious now you'll be asked do you think is the right person this. I don't think surprise can say umuntu to right at no for surprise has done well. We are needing on the surprise. So well done to Petrus Ngambona uhleli lapha. Well done compliment. Ngambona under 19. I saw him TTC and then drop under 19 but good bambeke da. Well done to that. Sometimes senkhuluma ngeboard ubamlethela leyo nto lezoshintsha into eningi. Another stuff. Going to lento ngibuza yona Nkululeko. This coach, asibe never Sundowns iphethe squad strong kakhulu. Marcelo Lendo has not been starting. Mkhulisi has not been starting.
Yeah.
We talk about top class,
It's a
two
lot
key
of players, yeah.
position players. You understand?
Reina's not starting, Shalulile not starting.
Yes. Lo mfana lo left wing back Usibiya or what?
Yes, Tato Sibiya, yeah.
He's not been starting after the
Yeah, bamtshela umqeqeshi. I think they told him stop,
After exposing-
stop experimenting.
yeah, bam expose umfana lapha. So we talk about players. Kipidu, I'm not too sure he's injured. He's
Yeah,
still injured.
most likely is injured.
Yeah, still injured. But
They have about Divine Lunga. They have a lot of senior players
we understand.
on the bench.
I see Marcelo Allende starting the game. Shisha, I see him starting the game Aksasa. I think they will keep Leon. Yabona ngonyale striker. Because mhlamba funa that reference. Once umkhitha lapha you putting pressure there. I don't think they will. A very dangerous player in South Africa. I think it strikes Ning Mendes funded to that guy. It reminds me of Romario of Brazil. The structure, runs off the ball.
Yeah.
Dynamic, first touch, the understanding. Athatha ngesikhathi ukuthi asettle umuntu wazibhola lento engisho ukuthi mawazibhola uyiplayer irrespect ukuthi uye-team nje but wena leya team ayidlali ngale ndlela le team osuka kuyayidlala u-adapta manje
Yeah,
if was
find a way, yeah.
quick. So well done to the strike Leon. So going to the game njengoba ngisho kuyotshintshwa at 11 I think izoshintsha like majority uAlende nje ngizombona kusasa Obas I see is gonna play. I see Onyango starting on the elo. Divine Lunga is going to start. That's for me. Mhlambe umndaba ngamqa
Yeah.
Mrena. That's Sundowns.
Yeah, I think they will experiment with Nedbank.
I
because
promise,
I
I promise.
think they want to win the Champions League.
And
the-
those
the league.
players, even kule sorungene emlonyeni, even if they experiment, those players they want to prove the coach. Yeah, but because sometimes we know they spend. We need to be really. There's no player that they abanga spendanga la kuyi.
Yeah.
So kuna my expectations. So those players, if they're not gonna perform, they're gonna let go. Unfortunately, I understand. Or they're not gonna play after not playing. Sekumele nawo uhlala cautious.
What kind of pressure do you think he will be under if Angashaya TS Galaxy? Because the TS Galaxy, it's not impossible. Bagabai Shaya Sundowns, in the last 2 years, maybe they beat them once or twice.
Yeah.
It's possible. Sundowns is going to win, but also there are days where TS Galaxy wins. What kind of pressure would Cardoso be under? Is he not going to be able to say to them, look, I changed the team, it's a Nedbank Cup, you told me to win the league and the Champions League?
Agana excuse. I don't think they will wait for it. Yamchita sana excuse. You need to win games at Sundowns. Lento ngayideli singa le game ka Rulane singathi by beating Rulane ahlale lapho number 2. To sit on number 2 Champions League Sundowns, I don't think they're happy with that. With the players that they brought there. Coach phela manje sekutshela enye into uhlala ku number 2 yakutshela ukuthi going forward kulama knockout stages we're going to meet proper teams that they are still stronger than who are stronger than maybe probably us or the same.
Lingana, yeah.
We talk about knockout now. The last 8. So it's going to be difficult. Mawuhlala lapho number 2 yabona another way is qualifying akhona. Ile nto engisho the way you playing now determine your future. Into abazibheka. So coach noma nga experimenta mele azi ukuthi you need to win the game. It's unfortunately.
I think if he wants to keep his job, he must not experiment because TS Galaxy, I'm shy. TS Galaxy loves Sundowns. Like they love that game. I don't know whether bafuna ukuyenza idabi yabo.
They want to sell themselves.
Yeah, they love that game. So if they experiment, they might lose that game.
And then into TS Galaxy compliment signing wabo. It's a pity ukuthi we had rumor nje ukuthi team yabo ayikho stable in terms financial but sinkhuluma ngama scouting players bheka Bondamani spoke about that. Yabo Obasna bavayile lo mfana bathusi. Lo mfana lo ohambile lo obuya ku School of Excellence. Dichechana.
Yeah.
Siema as well. We talk about credit mina ngihlale ngisho kunengwe badume Tuesday lapha ku Sundowns development manje. He was there. Ashley Makhanya they were there. Ngikhuluma nge scouting sabo. Mfethu I structure se development sabo ngabona Ashley when he was there. I development yabo mfethu even if first team I don't think ukuthi truly speaking him bengase reference yabi development ngisayibukelile ngikhuluma nge-GDL i-DDC team engikhule komfethu compliment. So well done to ETS Galaxy by doing that, especially scouting players, also developing those players. And now tomorrow it's in the challenge ukuthi they playing against a team that doesn't want to engeke accept to lose now. It's unfortunately yabo, and not been consistent. ETS Galaxy mayidlala nabantu abafana njengabo.
Yeah.
For mangithi level, I'm talking about teams here mawuzodlala nemagisi whereby phela ETS Galaxy we can't rate them go top 5 now. Each every time when we predict Betway Premiership, they need kunomsebenzi kumele bawenze. But the coach ayithanda le feature nama-player. You are right, uyayithanda le feature. I'm not too sure it's because of Sundowns players dominated Bafana for several years. Everyone, a national team coach, maybe unelihle banengcondo ukuthi babukela la, or they want money ukuthi basign it, changing their life. Ikhona leyo nto. So they playing against Sundowns, it's a pity the different will be quality. Sundowns it's got experiment or not quality.
All right, your final score prediction?
I think Sundowns tomorrow they're going to win 2-1 or 3-1.
2-1, 3-1 to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was a comprehensive video looking at tomorrow's fixtures, giving some time and points to some teams as well. I hope you keep an attention to what's happening in the National First Division. There's a lot of teams that are coached by their owners there, and their owners are becoming successful. That means that in the next 10 years, we will have most owners coaching their own clubs because things become a trend. Owners will say that most of the time when my colleagues are coaching their own teams, they end up being in the playoffs, so they get promoted. So that means it will start a trend. It was started, of course, by the pioneer, Dr. Jomasono, who coached his own club. It is now languishing in the ABC Motsepe League. Maybe that works, maybe it does not work. But in the next few years, a lot of the National First Division owners will start coaching their clubs too. It is TV, it is Times, also sweating.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.